Hello all, welcome to the next episode of Reconciliation. We are discussing on the loan syndications. So this is an important fee that syndication have, and while doing the recon, while doing the processing of any NAV calculation or processing trade booking, we come to across this type of break of assignment fee. So what is assignment fee? So assignment fee is nothing, just a flat fee that need to be paid by the agent while facilitating the trade. So the step involved to in capturing and processing this. So how it get captured into the system in the application. So we can discuss now. So it is first step is go to the SLT product. So SLT product is something like a basic detail of the trade, like which trade this assignment fee has been imposed. So the basic investment name, product code will be there, the product module, product type description, product slogan, product group, start date, end date, format name, remark. So this is a simple thing what trade have, that we have to fill the basic detail. The step 2 will be the fee component. How much the fee while doing the contract. In the previous video we discussed about how to create a contract. In contract, when the lender, borrower and agent is there, they already discuss about the fee component, and the trade according to trade size, according to the volume, according to the transaction of the in the fund, according to this fees has been already decided by the three groups, which is borrower, lender and agent. So step 3, the contribution to the assignment fee screen. So there is a separate screen is there in the system as well as into their agreement also. So this screen should be there. Capture the customer number of agent whom the assignment fee. So there are in one fund there are many agents sometimes. So which agent the number code is there. So each agent there is different code for that, customer code for there. So we have to careful which agent we are paying the fees, the assignment fee. Based on the assignment fee reminder, assignment fee type, when we do posting into our application, like we can say admin side, or we can say the our side reconciliation where we are doing. So it name as assignment fee option will be there. Accordingly we have to post. So sometimes the fund accounting team, or sometimes maybe recon team, so it should be post under the assignment fee type. So assignment fee is charge imposed when loan or portion of a loan is transferred from one lender to another lender. Means if you are taking the loan from one borrower, one lender to borrower is going to there. The so for each transaction, like we do the drawdown when the term loan has decided, and when when the borrower required to invest in their project, maybe anything, so he maybe call this money with the term like drawdown, capital call, capital commitment, first, second, third. So when he call from the lender, so each time there is a assignment fee for that. So that is called assignment fee. So we have noted a definition as well. When you preparing for the interview, this is an important thing while you are explaining to the your interviewer. So you can explain by this way. The assignment fee is a flat fee by the administration or facility agent for processing loan assignment. So here you can clarify that what we have read above is a simple form we write it when there is a borrower and lender doing the transaction, whichever the agent. So agent may be the custody, maybe broker, maybe anything like JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, BNY or anything. So he will charge a fee. So it's called that assignment fee. So according to the LSTA market like US market, or LMA market like Europe market, so how the typically the range will be 3,500 to 7,000 is in the dollar, and for LMA like Europe it will be the 3,000 to 5,000. So who will pay the fee? The buyer assignee usually pay the assignment fee, but it's vary by the agreement. Usually the buyer will pay the fee, like buyer is here who the borrower. So borrower asking for the money, so in the case the borrower will pay the money, but sometime according to the agreement, according while doing the agreement, we can say the capital commitment, there they will mention who will pay the fees, or partially will be done, or some percentage will be there. So according the fees will be divided. So we have show the calculation, or we show the one table wise also, as per the LSTA market, US market, as well as LMA market. So you can show the as per the loan amount being be assigned, what amount should be there, like it amount should be 10 million. So fixed administration fee is 5,000. So buyer has to pay. So same here, 1,50,000 to 4,000. So there is a limit according to that fee has been charged. So we have mentioned in the box that fee. It will be vary according to the some regulations, some things will be changed back ended, but this is the just a standard one we have keep. So hope you like this channel. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and please like this channel. We'll meet you in the next section. Thank you.